Hi TNTers, I'm going to take you through our TNT homework exercises, your core homework. These are the movements you should be doing 4 days of the week on the days you don't lift weights, okay? We ask you at the beginning of the week, how did you do on your homework the previous week? Always want to hear a 4, so that's your goal. You want to do 4 times these. Okay, so watch me as I go through this here. We're going to start with our Supermans or a hyperextension for your lower back. What I'm going to do is lay down just like this. I'm going to lift my head, arms, and legs off the floor into a small arch. Contracting my lower back and putting back down. Repeating this motion, I'm going to go up and down just like this for 30 seconds. So let's just say that was 30 seconds right there, okay? I'm going to rest for 15 seconds. My rest time will always be the same, 15 seconds. Then I'll go again for 30 seconds. Up and down I go. All the way down, completely relax at the bottom, and then back up, tight contraction. So we'll go for 30 seconds. Rest for 15, go again for 30, okay? That's part 1 of our homework. Part 2 is your homework crunch, otherwise known as a full body crunch in Pilates. What you're going to do, there's a very specific reason we picked this as your homework movement, because it's going to teach you how to do a pelvic tilt, which is how you engage your core. So this is what you're going to do. You lay on your back, hands over your head, legs straight out. When you're in this fully extended position, the natural curvature of your spine is going to bring your lower back off the floor. So what you want to do is before you lift up, look at my lower back. I'm going to press my lower back into the floor. See that? That's called a pelvic tilt. I push my back down and then I pull into a little ball like this, and then I put everything back down. Pelvic tilt, crunch, back down. Pelvic tilt, crunch, back down. Once again, I would go for 30 seconds, rest for 15. Let's say that's 30 seconds, so I'm resting for 15. Then I will go again for 30 seconds. Up and down I go. 30 seconds. Now, keep in mind, that little teeny bit right there, you do it 4 days of the week, on the days you don't lift weights, will help to prevent lower back problems, hip problems, all kinds of problems that have to do with a weak core. You just have to do that little teeny bit. 30 seconds of Supermans, rest for 15 seconds. Go again for 30 seconds of Supermans. Flip it over, homework crunches for 30 seconds, rest for 15, go again for 30. If you find you can do more, increase by 15-second increments. So instead of going for 30 seconds, go for 45 seconds on each one. If you can get to the point where you can go 1 minute, rest for 15, go again for a minute, then flip it over, 1 minute, rest for 15, go again for a minute, I assure you if you do that 4 days of the week, plus the core work we do in class during the week, your core strength will be phenomenal, and you will feel no pain in your lower back,